Hello friends, and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Jolly April shop review. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, JollyAprile.com is an online store based in United States that sells multiple products like electronics and accessories, sports and outdoors, housewares and kitchen, toys for kids and gifts, beauty and health products, car accessories, etc. You can take a look at the featured collection of this website along with their prices. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about other information related to this website. So coming to the payment information, the modes of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, Amex, PayPal and Discover, etc. And guys, talking about the shipping policy, so I'm not able to view the particular section of shipping policy, but yes, in the menu option button you will find FAQ section, and here they have mentioned the shipping policy. So guys, according to the website details, the delivery time is based on the shipping option that you have chosen, and once the order has shipped, the company will email your tracking number and tracking website. And they have also mentioned that the company is not responsible for delays caused by the customs department in our country or in your country. Anyways guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign. But talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 30th of July 2019 and it is only 1 year, 1 month, 24 days old website. Now guys, let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So there is a limited information available. No information is available regarding the business owner name, business establishment year, business brand connection info, etc., which is not a good sign and shows that the website may be suspicious as well. Now coming to the contact us address, they have not provided their official company's address, which is not a good sign. But yes, you'll find email address and contact number in this contact us section. And guys, the email address which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But you should also know that various scam and problematic sites use email IDs starting with service, customer care, help desk, support, etc. So be aware regarding this factor. You need to explore the information more for your knowledge. And guys, talking about the social media presence, this site has no social media presence at all, which is again a bad sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. And talking about the return policy, the company accepts 14 days return and refund policy. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers while reviewing this website. And talking about the customer reviews, we have found some negative reviews about this website. And in the final conclusion guys, I would say stay away from such type of scam websites, but before making any online purchase, research more about a particular website, research about the customer reviews, legit contact details, etc. And yes, I would say JollyAprile.com appears to be a scam website because there are so many loopholes which makes the site quite suspicious. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thank you for watching the video guys.